Welcome into the channel, everyone. This is Bryan Johnson with the Nexgen Group, brokered by EXP Realty. Today we're out in Dixie Springs. We're going to go on a family walk. I want to show you what the community park looks like out here. We'll show you what the Splash Pad looks like, the dog run, the pickleball courts, basketball courts, and the kids play area with the picnic area as well. So we're going to go on a little adventure here in the neighborhood, and we'll show you what everything looks like. All right, girls. Are we gonna ride our bikes and go on a walk to the park? All right, let's go. So we're on our walk. We're headed to the community park out in Dixie Springs, and it takes about 10 or 15 minutes to get to the park. We live in phase 2 of Dixie Springs, and if you were in phase 1, it would probably take 20 to 25 minutes, and it's a little bit longer to get there. But you can do this pretty much all year long in southern Utah to take advantage of the weather down here and get outdoors with your families. Get into the Dixie Springs Park out in Hurricane. Over here you can see the dog run with 2 covered patios. There's a small dog and a large dog breed dog run area. In the distance you can see the picnic area, the kids playground. You can see the basketball hoop here. On the other side of this earthen dam is Sand Hollow Reservoir. So we made it to the kids play area. The girls are living their best life playing in the water. Journey, do you love the park? What's your favorite part? The water area? All right, go play. So they got several areas of shade out here at the park. You can see some over here to my right. They've got a big picnic pavilion, which I believe you can rent out through the city of Hurricane. You just call in and make a reservation. It's pretty minimal in terms of cost. You can also see this is the bigger kids playground area. And off to my left here, you can see a playground area that's for smaller kids. And then this is also part of the Splash Pad as well. So the fountains just sort of switch back and forth from the left side to the right side of the pavilion. What do you think, Callie? Is this for little kids too? You love the water. So now we're over at the pickleball courts. They're really good quality courts. As you can see, it has a full lighting system and a shaded place to sit. It's a very popular area. All age groups can play pickleball, and it's one of the more popular sports down here in southern Utah. All right, so now we're going to take an aerial view of the Dixie Springs Park, as well as a little bit of a view of phase 2 and phase 1 in the distance of the Dixie Springs community. And I'm going to speak a little bit about what's currently going on as of May 2nd in the real estate world, specifically relating to Dixie Springs. Right now there are currently 11 active listings ranging from $665,000 to roughly $1.2 million. There are 6 pending listings ranging from $680,000 to roughly $1.2 million, and that's a really large spread in between the bottom of the Dixie Springs listings to the top of the Dixie Springs listings. What people like about our area is the proximity to the lake and other outdoor recreation, as well as our quarter-acre lot size. But some of the factors that can create this large spread between the pricing of the homes is some premium additions to these homes. So key features in our area would be a pool, an RV garage or RV parking, an attached casita or a detached casita, an accessory dwelling unit, a nightly rental permit, or an updated color scheme. All right, that's all that we have for the park out in Dixie Springs, which is located in Hurricane, Utah. Thanks for tuning into the channel. If you'd like to see more videos related to lifestyle content in southern Utah, or real estate content, please subscribe to our channel and follow our feeds on Facebook and Instagram. Have a great day.